India recorded 31,382 new coronavirus infections, taking the total tally of COVID-19 cases to 3,35,94,803, while the active cases declined to 3,162,000, the lowest in 188 days, according to the Union Health Ministry data updated on Friday. The number of deaths climbed to 4,46,368, with 318 fresh fatalities, according to the data updated at 8 a.m. The active cases comprise 0.89% of the total infection, the lowest since March 2020, while the national COVID-19 recovery rate was recorded at 97.78%, the highest since March 2020, the ministry said. India on Thursday achieved another milestone in vaccination. As many as 84 crore doses of COVID-19 vaccines were administered in the country so far, the fastest in the world. More than 81.39 crore COVID vaccine doses have been provided to states and union territories so far through the Government of India channel and direct state procurement. Nearly 86 lakh doses are in the pipeline. Over 4.23 crore balanced doses are still available with the states and union territory, the Union Health Ministry said. The COVID-19 tally of Andaman and Nicobar Islands rose to 7,616 on Friday, as one more person was tested positive for the infection, according to the health bulletin. The Union Territory now has 17 active cases, while 7,470 people have recovered from the disease so far, including 4 in the last 24 hours. The coronavirus death toll remains unchanged at 129, as no fresh fatalities were recorded on the islands. The Government of India has announced that differently abled people and those with restricted mobility will be given COVID doses at their home. Addressing a press conference in Delhi, Union Health Ministry officials also said that the country is still in the midst of the second wave of COVID-19, even though the number of daily new cases are declining. However, they added that 62.73% of the total infection reported last week were from Kerala alone, which is also the only state with over 1 lakh active COVID cases. No other country managed to do what India did in terms of its response to the coronavirus pandemic, the Supreme Court of India said on Thursday, in rich praises for the government as it reserved its order on the case involving the 50,000 compensation proposed for COVID-19 deaths. Justice Shah and A.S. Bopanna also appreciated India's response to the coronavirus pandemic that drew intense scrutiny over thousands of deaths due to the lack of preparedness for the second wave and shortage of essentials like medical oxygen. Given the size of our population, vaccine expenses, economic situation and adverse circumstances that we faced, we took exemplary steps. No other country managed to do what India did, the judges said.
Subscribe to Oneindia channel and never miss an update.